Most people buying a car in 2026 are walking straight into a financial trap. They're buying for the big screens and the shiny paint, but they're ignoring a hidden crisis in the automotive industry: planned obsolescence. Right now, the average repair cost for a modern engine has spiked by 40% compared to just 3 years ago. But what if I told you there are 5 specific machines engineered with a secret philosophy that are mathematically proven to outlast your mortgage? One car on our list today is currently being used in global taxi fleets because its engine literally refuses to quit even after 400,000 miles. Another one? It's a hybrid that actually gets more reliable the more you drive it. If you want to stop being a subscription to your mechanic and start owning a vehicle that your kids might one day drive, you need to see these 5. Because number 1 is a car most experts told you to stop buying years ago. They were wrong. Let's dive in. Before we reveal the top 5, we have to talk about why 2026 is a weird year for cars. We've seen a massive push toward electrification, but the data is in. Early EVs and highly turbocharged, downsized gas engines are hitting the shop more than ever. According to the latest 2026 consumer reports and J.D. Power data, the most reliable brands haven't changed, but how they build cars has. The winners in 2026 are the ones using incremental engineering. Instead of reinventing the wheel every year, they take a 10-year-old design and perfect it. We aren't just looking at initial quality, how it feels in the first 90 days. We are looking at long-term durability. We analyzed maintenance cycles, parts availability, and catastrophic failure rates to bring you this list. These aren't just cars, they are financial insurance policies.
Car number 5 is the Subaru Forester Hybrid Gas. Starting our countdown at number 5 is a vehicle that has redefined rugged simplicity for 2026, the Subaru Forester. Now, why is the Forester here? Historically, Subaru had a reputation for head gasket issues, but in 2026, those days are long gone. The current generation uses the upgraded Boxer engine with a reinforced cooling system that has eliminated the old weak points. Why it's on the list: symmetrical AWD. Unlike the slip and grip systems in most crossovers, Subaru's AWD is permanent. Fewer electronic actuators to fail means fewer trips to the dealer. Visibility and safety. Consumer Reports ranked the 2026 Forester as having the best outward vision in its class. Why does this matter for reliability? Fewer accidents means a longer life for the chassis. The 2026 Hybrid Twist. For the first time, the Forester Hybrid uses Toyota-derived technology. By combining Subaru's rugged frame with Toyota's world-class hybrid planetary gear set, they've created a bulletproof monster. Expert tip: if you want this car to last 300K, you must change the CVT fluid every 40,000 miles, despite what the manual says about it being a lifetime fluid. There is no such thing as lifetime fluid.
Car number 4. Honda CR-V Hybrid.
At number 4, we have the safe bet, the Honda CR-V Hybrid. Honda's engineering philosophy for 2026 focuses on the two-motor hybrid system. Unlike Ford or Hyundai, which use a traditional transmission with their hybrids, Honda's system acts more like an EV. Most of the time, the engine isn't even connected to the wheels, it's just a generator. The reliability secret: because the gas engine spends so much time in its efficiency sweet spot and doesn't have to shift through gears, the mechanical wear is significantly lower. No belts. The 2026 CR-V uses a timing chain, not a belt. Simplified braking. Regenerative braking means your actual brake pads can last up to 100,000 miles before needing a change. The Trail Sport factor. For 2026, the new Trail Sport trim adds reinforced suspension. Even if you don't go off-road, that extra beefiness translates to a car that won't rattle apart on city potholes. Coach's note: Honda's interior build quality in 2026 is back to its 1990s peak. Simple knobs, high-quality plastics, and no over-engineered touchscreens that glitch out in the heat.
Car number 3. Tesla Model 3.
I know what you're thinking. A Tesla on a reliability list? Hear me out. In 2026, the Tesla Model 3 is no longer a new product. It is a mature platform.
The Highland refresh solved the panel gaps and the suspension squeaks, but more importantly, the drivetrain is nearly immortal. Why it's a 300K mile car? Moving parts? A gas engine has roughly 2,000 moving parts. The Tesla drivetrain has about 20. Battery chemistry? The 2026 RWD Model 3 uses LFP, lithium iron phosphate batteries. These are heavier, but they can be charged to 100% every single day and are rated for over 3,000 charge cycles. Do the math? That's nearly 500,000 miles of battery life. Zero transmission? No gears to strip, no clutches to burn out. If you hate oil changes, spark plugs, and oxygen sensors, this is the most reliable machine money can buy in 2026. Just stay away from the Cybertruck. That's a different story for a different video.
Car number 2, Lexus NX Hybrid.
Number 2 is for the person who wants luxury without the luxury tax at the repair shop, the Lexus NX Hybrid. Lexus has topped the J.D. Power dependability study for 3 years running as of 2026. The NX is their Goldilocks SUV. It's built in the same plants as the world's most reliable Toyotas, but with 400% more quality control inspections. The Lexus Standard, electronic integrity. While BMW and Mercedes are struggling with ghost-in-the-machine software bugs in 2026, Lexus uses older, more stable chipsets that simply don't crash. Resale value? This car is reliable for your wallet, too. It holds its value better than almost any SUV on the market. Maintenance. Since it's basically a fancy RAV4 under the skin, you can get it serviced at any Toyota dealer for half the price of a European luxury brand. YouTube expert insight. Reliable doesn't just mean it runs. It means the seat heaters still work in 10 years and the leather doesn't crack. Lexus is the king of interior durability.
Car number 1, Toyota Camry 2026 Hybrid.
And finally, the number 1 most reliable car you can buy in 2026. It's the car that the entire industry looks to as the benchmark, the 2026 Toyota Camry. Toyota made a bold move this year. Every single Camry is now a hybrid. They've taken their 5th-generation hybrid system, the same one tested in millions of Prius taxis worldwide, and put it into a sleek, comfortable sedan.
Why it's number 1. Thermal efficiency. The engine in the 2026 Camry is over 40% thermally efficient. It's built to run cool, and heat is the number 1 killer of engines. eCVT. This isn't a belt CVT. It's a planetary gear set. It's essentially 2 electric motors and a few gears that never shift. It is physically almost impossible to break. Parts ubiquity. Because Toyota sells hundreds of thousands of these, parts will be available in every corner of the globe until the year 2050. The mystery cotton revealed. Remember that secret I mentioned in the hook? The reason this car lasts 400,000 miles isn't just the parts, it's the Kaizen philosophy. Toyota makes over 1,000 tiny changes to the Camry every year that they never even tell the public about. They are obsessed with fixing things before they break. Even a Toyota will die if you treat it like trash. In 2026, the 10,000-mile oil change is a lie told by manufacturers to make cost of ownership look lower. If you want 300,000 miles, you need to change oil every 5,000 miles, drain and fill your coolant every 5 years, clean your hybrid battery fan, crucial for 2026 models. Buying a reliable car in 2026 isn't just about saving money, it's about freedom. It's about knowing that when you turn that key or press that button, your car will start every single time. Which of these 5 would you pick? Or is there a hidden gem I missed? Drop a comment below. I respond to as many as I can. If this helped you save $40,000 on a bad decision, hit that subscribe button. I'm your name, your YouTube car coach. Drive safe.